का लूटने चाहते थे, इस बार की सरकार बनेगा।
Big news that is breaking at the top of 4 after a complete and clean sweep of the Bihar elections. There's a key huddle in the NDA camp. We believe JP Nadda, BL Santosh both are at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. I think we can go across to Rishabh, who's joining us live from outside Amit Shah's residence. Rishabh, what is this meeting about? We already know that the Prime Minister is going to be at the BJP headquarters this evening.
Well, definitely. See, if we talk about where we are here at in front of Amit Shah's residence in New Delhi, and what we're given to understand that Party President JP Nadda, along with BL Santosh, is inside holding a meeting with Amit Shah. Remember, it is a landslide victory for NDA. 96 seats, as we're talking, is where.
Rishabh, can you give us a minute here because there is a bit of an issue with your live. Pragya, you're joining us live from the BJP headquarters at about 6 o'clock. This is where we are expecting the Prime Minister to be. And you know, as the countdown begins at the BJP headquarters, we do believe that there is a key huddle underway at Amit Shah's residence. What is this about?
Well, this is before Prime Minister is going to speak here. There's a larger message that they are going to give, but also now that it is very clear and is forming the government, there are so many calculations that needs to be done about the timing of the government, but also about it is also about the light-hearted talks that they also do about and congratulating each other about the victory, but more so there is also a parliamentary board post Prime Minister's speech here. There is a lot of, while BJP says that Nitish Kumar is still the CM, there are different voices and that we are hearing right now from the BJP. Most likely there may be some negotiations regarding that. However, many of the BJP leaders still say that Nitish Kumar is going to be the Chief Minister. But who is going to be, whether there is going to be Deputy Chief Minister and who is going to be that? And also there are other things that the party also needs to discuss. So this hurdle is very significant given the fact that it is very clear that NDA is forming the government, and with BJP being the single largest party in the state, it also means that they have also, big room for the negotiations as far as BJP is concerned. And
Pragya, stay with us. In fact, there's already the festive atmosphere at the BJP headquarters. In fact, a scene that we see whenever the BJP is normally successful at the assembly poll level. Stay with us. Let's also cut across. There's some breaking news coming in from Patna, because we understand in Patna as well, there is a huddle that is currently underway. Nitish Kumar is meeting his close aides, is what we understand. Working President Sanjay Jha is currently at the Chief Minister's residence in Patna, and he is going to be meeting with Nitish Kumar. JDU Minister Ashok Chaudhary has also arrived at the Chief Minister's residence. Let me go across to Arunil for more on this. Arunil, very crucial meeting. You are, of course, at the BJP headquarters, but very crucial that the Chief Minister is meeting with his close aides. These are the individuals who've made a big difference as far as this election is concerned, including Mr. Chaudhary as well as Sanjay Jha. Take us through what exactly is happening there.
Certainly, yes, Madhav. JDU second in command Sanjay Jha, the working president, as you rightly pointed out, has reached the residence of CM Nitish Kumar. Along with him is also Ajay Chaudhary, one of the senior ministers in Bihar. Exactly what will be the plan from now on? Because simultaneously, as Rishabh was pointing out, that there is a meeting being held at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence as well. So what is going to be the cabinet that will be there from during this term? Because at least for now it has been confirmed that a convincing victory is likely on the cards for the NDA. At present, I'm reporting from the BJP state headquarters as well. You can see massive euphoric celebrations here at the BJP headquarters. In fact, dolls, crackers, DJs have been played over here. But yes, what a key development from Patna, wherein at CM Nitish Kumar's residence, two of his key aides are there to discuss their next plan as well as strategize how they are going to move ahead. What will be their bargain with the BJP? How many ministers they will be from the JDU, as well as Home Minister Amit Shah already made it clear that it will be Nitish Kumar who will be leading the next government. He will be holding the CM post. We'll try and speak to some of the workers here. आपसे बात करेंगे. अब बीजेपी के अगर ज्यादा नंबर्स भी आते हैं, आपको लगता है कि नीतीश कुमार सीएम रहना चाहिए, क्या कोई बीजेपी का सीएम होना चाहिए?
नहीं, इस पे तो जो डिसाइड करेंगे वो लीडर्स डिसाइड करेंगे. बस इतना कहना है कि राहुल जी मछली पकड़े थे, राहुल जी मछली पकड़े थे डुबकी लगाई के, और मोदी जी वोटर लूट लिए गमछा हिलाई के. तो मोदी जी will
jokes being made over here on Rahul Gandhi, as well as people over here saying that he has sunk the ship of Tejasvi Yadav as well.
हमने सौंप
Right,
दिया.
and of course, that's an interesting, comparison being made. Modi ji gamcha hila ke and Rahul Gandhi, in fact, some would say even letting out